Hello guys, you're welcome to Vince Tech class. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through bag of words, which is also a text processing technique in natural language processing. Now, in natural language processing, the bag of word model is a simple way of representing text data for machine learning algorithms. It involves creating a vocabulary of all unique words in the dataset and then counting the frequency of these words in each document. We start by importing our required library. That is from sklearn.featureextraction.txt, we import count vectorizer. Now the count vectorizer from scikit-learn is used to convert the text document into metrics of token counts. Next, we define our sample document. In our document, we have I love natural language processing. ChatGPT is an amazing AI model, and Python programming is versatile and powerful. Next, we create count vectorizer object, and then we fit and transform the document into a bag of words. Next, we get the feature names in the bag of words, and finally we print the feature names and the transform bag of words. You can see it from the output. These are the transform bag of words, and we use the toArray function, which gives the final bag of words matrix, and you can see it from the output. So guys, just keep in mind that this is just a basic example. You can make more research on this bag of words, which is also a text processing technique in natural language processing, to get more insight on this project. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.